welcome to PastorKims Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, post a comment, and hit the notification bell so that you can find out every time I'm posting a video. I especially like when you leave comments. Leave me a comment so we can communicate virtually. So this is by no means a keto dish. Okay, this is the mac and cheese that I made for Chelly Fontae's birthday, and it came out so delicious. Of course, why wouldn't it? And so I'm just going to share that video with you. For keto, you can substitute cauliflower, and I will make one of those in the very near future just for you. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so first off I started with 3 cups of macaroni that I boiled, and I salted the water and added a little bit of oil. So now I'm coming in with my first 3 cups of cheese. So after I boiled and drained, I'm coming in with 3 cups of cheese. And I know I'm going to use way more cheese than this, but this is just getting us started. Took me by surprise. There's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. Okay, so here I'm adding 2 or 3 eggs. I really can't remember which one, but you know, if you want it stiff, then you add more eggs. If you want it a little loose, then you add less eggs. And you want to stir that up really good because remember your noodles are still warm, and so you don't want any scrambled eggs to begin to form. So that's what we're doing here, and then just mix that up. You get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. We need more cheese, y'all. More cheese, lots and lots of cheese. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel when I think about you, I want yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel when I think about you, I want all the time. When I think about you, I feel When I think about you, I want yeah. When I think about you, when I think about you, I feel When I think about you, I want all the time. Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise.
want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time, oh, you get what I'm trying to say. 'Cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got that